Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. Today I won't be going in detail because I have clearly explained each and every level on my previous video on GBP USD that I posted on Saturday. So nothing has changed much, therefore I do not want to repeat the same things again and again, and I do not want to bore you as well. If you want to know more about these levels, then please watch the video on Saturday. Okay, so let's do the analysis. Just let's see if anything has changed and what should be our strategy for today. So as expected, market is going down because we can see that this is the chart of DXY US dollar, and as I told you on Saturday that after market opening on Monday, US dollar will try to recover, and we can see that dollar is trying to recover. This doesn't mean that there is a trend reversal on US dollar, just dollar is trying to recover a bit. But still we can see that dollar is under the heavy influence or dominance of sellers. Therefore, after some time or after a couple of hours, we will see the same selling pressure on dollar as well, because again we have a resistance in the form of this trend line. So there is a good possibility that after a couple of hours dollar will be going down again, and when dollar will be going down, we will get a good position on GBP USD, Euro USD, Gold USD. If you want to know more, then please watch the previous video where I have clearly explained. So this is the chart of GBP USD, and as dollar is trying to recover, as a result GBP USD is going down. So if you ask me, Avilas, which is the best position, okay, then I'll say that according to the chart here, okay, the best trading opportunity is this trend line, because you can see that this trend line is acting as a valid support, or whenever market came down, the trend line provided required support to the market. So if you get GBP USD at this trend line, and if GBP USD bounces, then definitely that is the best buying opportunity. And as the market is in uptrend right now, as GBP USD is in uptrend, therefore do not think about shorting the market, because as we all know, we should follow the trend of the market, because it is the thumb rule of the market: follow the trend. Okay, so market is an uptrend, so it would be wise for us to look for buying opportunities only. So in comparison to the chart of Euro USD, GBP USD is kind of complicated, because we have also this line, this resistance line, because you can see that this trend line has been acting as a very strong resistance for the market for last couple of months, and right now market is trading above this level. Therefore, instead of coming down and taking support at this trend line, market may reverse from here also. Generally generally I prefer to take trades whenever market bounces from a proper support, and in this case the proper support is this trend line or this level, 1.3780. And on the other hand, if market bounces in the middle, then I will not be very much comfortable. In that case, what you can do is that instead of taking a buy order at GBP USD, what you can do is that you can just go for Euro USD, because in comparison to the GBP USD, Euro USD chart seems to be much more clear. This is the chart of Euro USD. You can go for buy at this support, or if market breaks the support, you can click on the buy at this support. And on the other hand, if market goes up from here, then definitely you can go for a buy above this level once the resistance become the support. Okay, but this is the simple chart of Euro USD. But for GBP USD, we have a trend line. Therefore, I'll say that, okay, just see where the market goes. If you get GBP USD at this trend line, then that's a different chapter. But right now, I think that Euro USD is in a much better position, or in fact Gold USD is in a much better position than GBP USD, because if you go for a buy here, then again there is this trend line somehow may act as a resistance again. So things may be complicated. So let's see. Okay. So This is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again with the detailed analysis. Bye bye.